Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Kitchen Island is probably one of the most versatile additions you can make to your kitchen. It offers extra counter space, storage, and a casual dining area, all in one convenient package. Whether you're preparing meals, entertaining guests, or simply enjoying a quick breakfast, a movable kitchen island with seating can significantly enhance your kitchen's functionality and aesthetic appeal. Number 5. VASAGLE Kitchen Island UKKI 005W09. This kitchen island features a spacious 23.6-inch dx 39.4W surface, perfect for food preparation. It provides ample room to keep your toaster or coffee machine within easy reach. This large worktop offers great convenience. This island offers a 3-tier storage solution. You can place a flower vase or tea set on top, kitchen appliances on the middle shelf, and bakeware on the lower grid shelf. Everything is nicely organized and easily accessible. With a height of 35.4 inches, this kitchen table is exceptionally versatile. Use it as a breakfast table, a coffee bar, or a bar table for serving drinks. The choice is entirely yours. Say goodbye to small annoyances. The adjustable feet prevent the kitchen island from wobbling on uneven floors. It also protects your floor from unwanted scratches. Assembly is easy. With clear instructions, numbered parts, and an included assembly tool, you'll have this baker's rack assembled quickly. It's designed for straightforward setup. What we like? This kitchen island boasts a generous worktop, perfect for meal prep or keeping appliances close. It also features a convenient 3-tier storage system, keeping everything organized and within reach. If you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-assemble kitchen island that maximizes both workspace and storage, you should consider this one. What people say. The island is the perfect size for my kitchen. The drawers and cabinet provide ample storage space. The butcher block top is beautiful and functional. Number 4. Homestyles Americana Black Kitchen Island. Need more space? This island has a drop leaf that extends the surface area. When you're done, it folds down to save space. The black finish gives it a chic look. It's a style that will never go out of fashion, fitting seamlessly into any kitchen decor. It features 2 storage drawers and adjustable shelves. This allows you to accommodate a variety of kitchen items, keeping everything organized. Made with hardwood and engineered wood, it offers incredible structural strength and durability. It's built to last, providing years of use. Some assembly is required, but don't worry. The package includes easy-to-understand directions to guide you through the process. What we like? The drop leaf design provides extra surface area when needed, and folds away to save space. The black finish adds a touch of elegance that complements any kitchen decor. If you like a stylish and space-saving solution, this island is a great choice. What people say. It provides a lot of storage as well as a significant and welcomed area of added counter surface. It is made primarily of hardwood. The shelves and panels in between the shelves look to be some kind of composite with veneers. It still looks beautiful and its functionality is fantastic. I have a super small and narrow kitchen, but there's an open space breakfast area in front of it where this fits perfectly. Any bigger, and it wouldn't work. Any smaller, and it wouldn't look right. I was worried it wouldn't be large enough, but it ended up being a little larger than I was thinking, so it really worked out well. That said, this is definitely not a small island, nor anywhere close to the kinds of islands carts with wheels that you can move around. It's heavy and solid. While I struggled to put this together myself, as a woman who can use basic tools, it was not because it was confusing or that difficult, per se. It was simply because some parts of it were too heavy for me to handle on my own without help, namely the top portion, which is installed last. I had my oldest son, strong teenager, help me launch that part on. Be prepared to have help with this, no matter how handy you may be, and also be aware that this comes in multiple large and very heavy boxes upon delivery. This isn't your run-of-the-mill type of DIY cheap furniture. This is solid wood throughout, and much higher quality than most of what you'll find in box stores in this genre and size. I was pleasantly surprised at the quality, detail, and thickness of all of it, all the way to the top of it. It's beautiful and wonderfully functional, and with the extension out, it really provides a decent amount of space to do whatever you need while prepping food, etc. My youngest son loves the extension out to sit at this island like a table to work on his homework while I'm making dinner, and there's plenty of space for it all. We've all enjoyed using this each and every day, several times a day, since we've had it. So far in 6 to 7 months, it has functioned flawlessly. While scratches can happen, they're hard to see on this piece, as the finish doesn't come off easily at all. My son is either always doing his homework with pointy pencils, drawing something, or otherwise using it for crafts and what have you. And while you can look closely and see the tiniest of indentations from all that, they're practically invisible because there's no chips or anything going beyond the top finish to make it obvious. It's obviously not butcher block, so you couldn't, say, slap down a piece of meat and start chopping away on the bare top without a cutting board, but it holds up surprisingly well under heavy use, cleans up easily, and doesn't appear to crack, chip, scratch, etc. very easily. The shelves, drawers, and interior add roomy storage, and the little side shelves on the outside are very practical for storing even more items. Number 3. Homestyles Monarch 50 Kitchen Island, Antique White. This beautiful kitchen island is perfect for any home. It features a drop leaf that extends the surface when you need more space. It's a great addition to your kitchen. The drop leaf design is a great feature. It folds down to save space when you don't need it. This makes it ideal for smaller kitchens. It offers plenty of storage with 2 drawers and 4 adjustable shelves. You can store a variety of kitchen items, keeping everything organized and within reach. The antique white finish gives it a timeless look. It adds character to your kitchen and complements any decor style. It's a classic choice that never goes out of style. It's made from hardwood and engineered wood for strength and durability. It's built to last, providing you with years of use. You can trust its quality. Some assembly is required, but the instructions are easy to follow. Plus, it's conveniently delivered straight to your home, making the process simple and hassle-free. What we like? This kitchen island features a drop leaf design, offering extra space when you need it and saving space when you don't. The antique white finish adds a touch of classic charm. If you are looking for a kitchen island with a timeless aesthetic and plenty of storage, you should consider this one. What people say. Assembly was pretty easy and straightforward, and I was able to accomplish by myself, small female, except for last step when you have to put the top on and is the heaviest piece. Very solid island. It is very sturdy. Number 2. Rolling kitchen island with drop leaf, matte black. This rolling kitchen island provides extra storage, utility, and workspace. It features a rubber wood top, drawers, cabinets, and more. It's designed to make your kitchen more functional. The worktop is made of thick rubber wood, a hard-wearing natural material. It's designed to be stable and resistant to humidity. You can sand and treat it as needed. This kitchen island is easy to move around your kitchen. It provides storage for tableware, kitchenware, and spices. The smooth, waterproof finish makes it easy to clean. The island table comes with detailed installation instructions and all the necessary tools. The dimensions are 51.2 foot, x 17.7, x 11.8, x 35.8. It can hold up to 150 pounds. All hardware is included for easy assembly. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. You'll have it set up in no time. What we like? This kitchen island features a durable rubber wood top, perfect for food preparation. It's also a movable design, allowing you to easily reposition it. If you have a smaller kitchen or enjoy flexibility in your kitchen layout, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It stores the extra kitchen appliances we do not use on a daily basis and my cake decorating tools, with some room to spare. It's sturdy once you have all the parts together and secured. Directions were a little confusing at times, as sometimes multiple steps in one photo, but pay attention to the drawings and look ahead to see what you need to have ready. Number 1. YITAHOME 37 Rolling Kitchen Island Cart. This kitchen island cart is a great storage solution. It gives you more room for cooking and is a convenient rolling cart for enjoying food and drinks with family and friends. It features open shelves, a spacious wood top, an adjustable shelf, and a drawer. There's also a side rack for spice jars and a towel rack. It's designed to keep everything organized and within reach. The thickened wood top is easy to clean and scratch resistant. It can be used as a cutting board or a stand for appliances. The sturdy legs can support up to 300 pounds without shaking. With 360 degrees wheels and brakes, you can move it around easily. Take it to the living room, balcony, or garden. Or lock it next to your kitchen island or dining table. It comes with step-by-step instructions and all the tools you need. You'll enjoy putting it together, and any problems will be solved quickly. What we like. This rolling kitchen island offers a mobile design, allowing you to move it around your kitchen or even to other rooms. It also has ample storage and is easy to assemble. If you are looking for a convenient and versatile kitchen island that can adapt to your needs, you should consider it. What people say. The island is the perfect size for my kitchen and provides much needed storage space. The butcher block top is beautiful and functional. The wheels make it easy to move around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.